Hello children, Jai Swami Narayan. In the first part of the lesson, our earth, we learned that the earth is our home. It is round in shape and the earth has air, water and land. In part 2 of this lesson, we are going to learn about types of land. Now, the different types of landforms are mountains, hills, valleys, island, plains, and plateaus. Let us learn more about these landforms. A plain. Children, do you know what a plain is? दे आर लार्ज एरियाज ऑफ फ्लैट लैंड. आप देखिए जो लैंड आपको दिख रहा है पिक्चर में वो एकदम फ्लैट है, स्ट्रेट है, और ऐसे फ्लैट लैंड को हम बोलते हैं प्लेन. Many people live in plains and they grow crops, fruits and vegetables. Many rivers flow through the plains. Plains have forest, animals and trees also. Hills. Look at the picture children. You can see that at some places the land is high and it is known as hill. आपको दिख रहा है पिक्चर में कि यहाँ पर लैंड जो है फ्लैट नहीं है, स्ट्रेट नहीं है, कहीं कहीं थोड़ा सा हाई है. सच टाइप ऑफ लैंड इज कॉल्ड अ हिल. Now children, hills are cooler than the plains. Tea, coffee and some fruits and vegetables are grown on hills. Mountain. Hills are smaller but very high hills are called mountains. They are covered with snow. Now children, you can see that the mountains are very high hills and the top part of the mountain or the tip of the mountain is called the peak and the mountain is covered with snow. In summers, the snow of the mountains melts and the water comes down to the plains and it is known as rivers. Valley. The lowland areas between two hills is called a valley. As you can see in this picture, आपको दो हिल्स दिख रही हैं और हिल्स के बीच में जो एरिया है उसको बोलते हैं लो लैंड एरिया एंड दैट इज नोन एज अ वैली. Some people live in valleys. People also grow some food crops in the valley. Now, a plateau. It is a raised piece of land with flat top. It is higher than the area around it. आप देखिए इस पिक्चर में नीचे आपको लैंड का एरिया दिख रहा है और उस एरिया के अलावा आपको एक लैंड जो बहुत रेज्ड है एंड इट हैज़ अ फ्लैट टॉप. Such type of land is known as a plateau. And because it looks like a table, it is also known as the tableland. And it is higher than the land around it. Now, an island. Now, what is the spelling of the island written here? I-S-L-A-N-D. In this spelling, S silent होता है तो हम इसको कैसे pronounce करते हैं? Island. Now, an island is a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. आप देखिए लैंड बीच में है पानी के और चारों तरफ पानी है, तो ऐसे लैंड को हम क्या बोलते हैं? ऐसे लैंड को हम आइलैंड बोलते हैं. Now children, would you like to live on an island? Yes. Now children, here are few things and ways in which we can save the earth. We should not cut trees. And children, when we have to go to a short distance, we should not use any vehicle. We should use the bicycle. We should save water. We should plant trees. We should not waste paper. And we should use the plastic which can be recycled. Now let us see the textbook exercises. Now first, Question says, close your eyes and think about your home. तो बच्चों आप अपनी आइज़ बंद करो और आपके घर में जितनी भी चीज़ें हैं उसके बारे में सोचो और फिर आप आँख खोलकर उसमें से कोई भी 3 चीज़ें जो आपको ध्यान आती है वो आपको यहाँ पर फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स में लिखनी है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु डू यू शेयर योर होम विद? आप अपने घर में किस किस के साथ रहते हो आपको यहाँ पर आंसर में लिखना है. पेरेंट्स, सिस्टर, ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स, अंकल एंड आंटी. तो आपके घर में जो जो आपके साथ रहता है यहाँ पर लिखना है. सो चिल्ड्रन, द आंसर टू दीज 2 क्वेश्चंस यू आर गोइंग टू राइट बाय योरसेल्फ. नाउ टिक द करेक्ट आंसर्स. विच कलर शोज वाटर ऑन द अर्थ? बच्चों हमने ग्लोब में देखा था ना, पानी किस रंग का दिख रहा था? ब्लू. सो ब्राउन इज अ रॉन्ग आंसर एंड ब्लू इज करेक्ट एंड ग्रीन इज ऑल्सो रॉन्ग. दिस इज द शेप ऑफ द अर्थ. The shape of our earth is round, or we can say it is in the form of a circle. So square is wrong, circle is right, and rectangle is wrong. Next, we need this to breathe. What do we need to breathe, children? Air. Yes, air is correct. Water wrong, and land is also wrong. Flat land is called a, अभी हमने पढ़ा है, जो लैंड एकदम फ्लैट होता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? प्लेन. सो हिल इज रॉन्ग, माउंटेन इज ऑल्सो रॉन्ग एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज प्लेन. रेज्ड लैंड विद अ फ्लैट टॉप is called a plateau. Mountain is wrong, plateau is correct, and hill is also wrong. Now next question, who am I? You share me with plants and animals. बताइए बच्चों क्या आंसर है? Earth. I cover more than half the earth. I am water. I am a very high hill. High hill को क्या बोलते हैं बच्चों? Mountain. I am also called a tableland. टेबललैंड का एक और नाम क्या होता है? प्लेटो. PLATEAU. Now fill in the blanks. The dash is our home. The earth is our home. Vehicles move on land. The low land between 2 hills is called a valley. Now look at the pictures and write their names. फर्स्ट पिक्चर में आपको स्मॉल हिल्स दिख रही हैं, तो ये पिक्चर किसकी है? हिल की. सेकंड पिक्चर में आपको रेज्ड लैंड दिख रहा है विच इज़ हैविंग अ टेबल टॉप. इट इज़ नोन एज अ प्लेटो. PLATEAU. नेक्स्ट यू कैन सी 2 hills and there is a low land area. It is known as valley. लास्ट पिक्चर एकदम फ्लैट लैंड दिख रहा है, सो दिस इज़ अ plain. Okay, now just as we celebrate Teachers' Day, Children's Day, Mother's Day, Father's Day, so we celebrate Earth Day also. Now let us find the answers to these questions. When is the Earth Day celebrated? The Earth Day is celebrated on 22nd April. Now, why is it celebrated? It is celebrated to learn about environmental problems and to protect our environment. How is it celebrated in your school? In our school, programs which includes dance, songs, speeches, skit to save earth are done in awareness about earth. Now 2 ways to keep the earth clean. How can we keep the earth clean? First is that we should not use plastic bags, we should use paper bags. Then if we have to go to a short distance, we should use a bicycle and we should not use the vehicles. Now next question, tick the things that are round in shape like the earth. Book is not round, we will not put a tick. Egg, no. Clock is round, we will put a tick here. orange is round, and the ball is also round. Now next, these are a few simple ways to show that we care for our earth. Tick the ones that you follow. Keep your surroundings clean. Yes. Do not waste water. Yes. Do not pluck flowers and leaves. This is also correct. Be kind to animals. Yes. Now values. Which of these would you like to have as your home? Tick the करेक्ट आंसर. नाउ आपको दिख रहे हैं दो अर्थ बने हैं, एक हैप्पी है, एक सैड दिख रहा है, एक ग्रीन है और एक अर्थ पर स्मोक और पोल्यूशन दिख रहा है. तो अब आप बताइए बच्चों, आप कौन से अर्थ पर रहना पसंद करोगे? यस, जो ग्रीन है, जहाँ फ्लावर्स है. सो फर्स्ट अर्थ इज द राइट आंसर. So children, I hope you have understood the lesson and do your work neatly in your textbook and write question answers in your notebook and read the chapter. Thank you children and Jai Swaminarayan.